Hello everyone! In this video we are going to show you an example of the Bootstrap game, which is a reason for mergers. To understand the Bootstrap game, let's take this example. ABC Company has acquired LM Company. You are provided with the following data for both companies, and all what you have to do is to complete the table for the merged firm. So we have to calculate the price per share, price earning ratio, number of shares, total earnings, and total market value for the merged firm. To start with, we should start with the total market value. We know that the total market value after merger, so for the merged firm, is equal to the market value of the acquiring firm, which is the ABC Company, plus the market value of the acquired firm, which is LM Company. So we have the market value of ABC and the market value of LM. All what you have to do is to sum up these two market values. So 4 millions plus 2 millions will be equal to 6 millions. So the total market value for the merged firm is $6 million. Now we will determine the total earnings for the merged firm. We know that the total earnings after merger or for the merged firm is equal to the earnings of the acquiring firm ABC plus the earnings of the acquired firm LM. So also we have to sum up these two earnings. So it would be equal to $400,000. The total earnings for the merged firms are $400,000.
Let's calculate the number of shares after merger. It is equal to the number of shares of the acquiring firm ABC plus the price per share of the acquired firm LM divided by the price per share of the acquiring firm ABC times the number of shares of LM. So in this case, it's equal to the 100,000 shares of ABC plus the price per share of LM, 20, divided by the 40 that of ABC times the 100,000 shares of LM. In this case, the number of shares after merger is equal to 150,000 shares.
Now we will determine the price per share after merger. It is equal to the total market value after merger, the 6 million already calculated, divided by the number of shares after merger that has also already calculated the 150,000 shares. As a result, stock price after merger will be equal to 40, which is similar to that of ABC before the merger.
EPS after merger, it is equal to the total earnings after merger divided by the number of shares after merger. So it's the $400,000 divided by the 150,000 shares. So it's equal to $2.67.
Finally, we need to determine the price-earnings ratio, which is equal to stock price after merger divided by the EPS after merger. So it will be equal to 15. And as you can notice, it is higher than that of the acquired firm LM and less than that of the acquiring firm ABC. And as previously mentioned in the chapter, the bootstrap gives the firm, the acquiring firm, a small short-term enhancement in its EPS. However, this EPS is expected to have a slow growth and a decreasing growth in the future. And that's why we consider that the bootstrap game as a GBS, a reason for mergers, because it does not give any economic benefit to the acquiring firm.